enthusiastic young boys like us standing in front of people like here to speak out more about hygiene in our different communities to you, the audience. You're with us, and one of the guys, Masib Karibe from Jamaica Global South, and my brother, Jerry Karibe. Karuru, the wonderful animal that people say it's too clever. Listen, an interview one day in the country so called Murengi Bumbali. Oshimene, what do you want to mean? Because somehow you have puzzled me. I mean that everybody must be attentive by forgetting how clever they are. It's our time to do so. Cleanliness is needed among the people. Cut out fingernails to avoid germs hiding it. All kitchen utensils must be clean. What's changing is the number of the baby. A woman must wash hands. Use toilet when it's figuring. Remember to wash hands with soap after that. Of course, your hands may look clean after the toilet, but usually have very small living organisms which can cause diseases, e.g. cholera and diarrhea. God bless you. Thank you.